Hello everyone, I really hope you're all doing well. Today I'm doing another stationery unboxing video by Your Creative Studio. So they sent me another one of their boxes. This is the April box, and I did an unboxing a few months ago and quite a few of you actually really enjoyed it, so I thought I'd do another one, and here's the video. Alright, so let's check it out together. As I said, this is their April box. It is a monthly subscription box for stationery and all kinds of paper goods, and let's check it out together. All right, as you can see, it says Your Creative Studio, and there's a little thank you card that comes with it, and then it's nicely wrapped in this paper right here. Let's open this up. All right, see what we got here. So here we have letters that actually look like kind of like thick stickers. Let's check them out. Oh, it's kind of cool. Yeah, I think it is, or is it like stamps that you put together? Actually, I feel like it might be like to create your own stamps of some sort. So, yeah. Right, let's check out the next thing. We have some stickers here, like for the core. Let's check them out real quick. Lots of flowers since it's the spring themed box. Let's check it out. Flowers here, more flowers, some vintage lady. Oh, the camera doesn't really focus on that. Come on. I think my camera's stubborn today to just keep being focused on the box and not on the stickers right in front of it. I don't know why. Anyways, I hope you can see them. So, quite a bunch of stickers here. It's a good amount. And excuse the honking outside. I live on a really busy intersection. I can only shoot this video once, so I won't be able to start over. So bear with me and the noise. Okay, so we have a little pad here, detachable, perforated here at the top. You can decorate your journals with it, or just use it as a little notepad. It's pretty cool too. All right, all this is. Says time flies on here. Check it out. All right. More, it's kind of like sticker type stuff. Okay, the wrong way. Okay, so here we go. That looks like theater tickets and movie tickets and stuff like that. They can again use for decorating. Pretty cool. All right, so that was this one. As we have here, let's check this out. It says it's a cling stamp. It is, looks like a typewriter. Yep, it's pretty cool too. Alrighty. So I'm kind of bummed out my camera doesn't focus on this. I do not understand why. There we go. No, it does. Alright. So that's it. Alright. Keep going. We have here another stamp. Alright. There we go. This is what the stamp looks like. Quite frankly, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Yeah. And oh, that's cute. Actual little typewriting here. Looks like it's a wooden typewriter. That's really cute. And what else we got? Looks like a washi tape. typewriter, washi tape. That's pretty cool. There we go. You can see this, like vintage colored, brownish, reddish brown, I'd say. All right, let's put this to the side. And we have, looks like more stickers. All right. Look like thicker stickers. There's no end here. Just read, keep silence. Go to the library. Again, this is kind of like a reddish brown color. Your books are calling you. So definitely a book themed sticker box. Yeah. And we have some larger ones here. It's a reading record. Keep silence. Just read. Yep. What else is there? Reading room for young people. All right, so that's this box right here. And then what's this? It says, "Life is a beautiful ride." Let's see, I'm gonna open this up. Vintage card type of things. Looks like receipt type of paper. That's obviously vintage themed. Yeah. So looks like all kinds of receipts and like bills for like cafes and restaurants. I like the designs in those too. I like vintage stuff. And I'm not gonna say cool again. I think it's cool, but I've probably said it like 5 times. And if you were to start a drinking game of how many times to say cool in this video, you'd probably be drunk by now, so don't do that. Anyways, yes, really cute designs here. And what else is in there? I don't know why my camera doesn't autofocus today. It's really bizarre. So, and then here's some more stickers, like vintage roses, black and white. And then we have these guys, birds on it. You also used to decorate and stuff. Also slightly see-through. Definitely spring themed again. Yeah. So you can see this from both sides here. Really pretty paper to decorate your journals with, or whatever else you'd like to decorate. And I think that's it. So another nice little stationery box from your creative studio. If you want to check them out, I'm going to leave a link in the description box if you want to try one of the boxes or sign up for the subscription service. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment. If you enjoy these type of videos, I might do more of them. Just let me know. I really enjoy going through this with you and showing you all the little stickers and little knickknacks that are in there and little stamps. I think it's adorable. And yes, if you've enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. For more notebook and stationery videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.